So this is the first in a series of 3 videos designed to show you how to do simple linear regression in Excel. This is a data set that consists of actual data, and the data in column A is the chirps that a cricket made in 1 minute, and in column B is the temperature that was recorded for that particular cricket. So if we look at the first row where we have data, our data now is a data pair. It's saying that the first cricket chirped 122 times a minute when the temperature was 70 degrees. And the first step we want to do is we want to make a plot of this data. And what we want to do is we want to plot these data pairs as an XY coordinate on the XY Cartesian coordinate system. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight the first 2 columns. I'll click at A, hold it down. I'll go ahead and I'll left click, hold it down, and just move over and select the other column. Notice that I don't have to just choose the data. I mean, I could do this, but it's a little trickier, and when you drag things in Excel, you can screw things up. Either way is fine. Okay. And now all we're going to do is we're going to insert a scatter plot. So I'm going to go up to the Insert tab. If you look at the very top of the menu, the 3rd item in, you'll see Insert. And now you'll see Recommended Charts. And I can click on this chart right here. You could go to Recommended Charts and choose Scatterplot, but this is what the Scatterplot icon is. I'm just going to click on that. I'm going to choose a Scatterplot where the dots are not connected. And there's my scatter plot right there.